Welcome back to another video. In this video, I got another package from EVBASE. This should be the front grille spoiler type of thing that you put right on the front. Let's open it up and see how it looks. As you see, it comes in 3 different packages. This is actually the matte carbon fiber to go with my carbon fiber decals, which is pretty cool. In the box come with some screws. It looks like you use the screws to connect the carbon fiber panels together. Comes with some, look like some type of fasteners underneath, so you can fasten onto the undercover. And it comes with some extra tape if you want to put more tape on it. I'm probably gonna need some more tape on it. All right, let's see how this whole thing looks. All right, first things first is to put these bad boys together. I don't like looking at instructions. I like to try to figure it out myself. Like these two go together. Okay. Now I got all the pieces together. I had to put 1 screw on this side, 1 screw on the other side at the bottom. Then you put 2 screws in these holes right over here. Once you put them in there, it was pretty much straightforward. All right, let's do a dry fit, see how it looks. All right, just how a dry fit will look. All righty. Now I'm going to clean off the bumper and use some Windex and alcohol. And make sure you clean from under the bottom also, because that's where some of the sticky tape is going to go to, under here. I use a different rag for the alcohol. Now you can see the difference in between the two. This is the one that came with the EVBASE, and this is the one that was originally on the vehicle. You can see the size difference. This is much bigger because it's holding up that front spoiler thingamabob. All right, here we go. It comes with screws that you put at the bottom here. I was contemplating putting these screws in, but after noticing that this is the only thing that's holding this up, and it is going into this plastic cover, it's not actually going into the bumper up here, it's not going in here, going down here. So I will install these screws right about now. As you can see, there's 2 holes on this side. Put them in. All right. And these are other 2 screws I'm going to put in right now. All right, that's it. I got these 2 screws there. Got this screw that was already there. And these are the 4, okay, see, here we go. Here we go, the 4 plugs that you put in underneath the bumper. And I'm gonna see how this works out. All right, this is how it looks after. I got the carbon fiber to match my decal right here. It look interesting, not bad. See how it holds up, it's super duper light. It took about 20 minutes to install. It did not take long at all, and I probably took a little longer because I was double checking and everything and deciding how far I need to go. Now, my only concern for right now is the plates, because in my state we have to have a front plate. So I have one of those front plate holders. Hopefully there's actually a bill inside the state senate to make it a 1 plate state. So hopefully that goes through, so I don't have to put anything in the front. But I'm gonna see how it holds up on the highway. I'm gonna let this cook for a little while. I'm not gonna go anywhere with it, and just let it sit here and cure. And of course, if you like this and you want to buy this, I'm going to put a link in the description to EVBASE. They have this and many other things. And once again, thanks to EVBASE for sending out this for me to take a look at it and try it out. But it looks real sweet. It looks real sweet, I must say that. Check out how everything matches up now. Emerald badge. I got the carbon fiber fin in the back, and also I have, so this is all carbon fiber. Not too bad. Peace. Like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. I do it all, from guns to funds. Peace.